In this video, I will show you how to fix and resolve and how to turn page sideways Microsoft Word. So guys, if you are using Microsoft Word and you can see your picture is not appear properly, and once you try to print it, so we can see picture is not coming appear display properly. So to resolve this problem, just fix this issue. So click here and select landscape. So now your picture will appear properly. Also guys, you can adjust the picture size. Double click on it and make the some changes to size and properly adjust. Also guys, you can change this margin. So layout, margins, and select normal. So we can see still margin is not work properly. So move this margin size here and this one here. Now try to print. So we can see now picture display properly. So this is the method guys, you can turn page sideways in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.